Can I share my Pandora playlist with others, and if so, how?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. Our focus for today is on the popular music streaming service, Pandora. Specifically, we'll be talking about how you can share your favorite Pandora playlists with friends, family, or even the world.
Can I share my Pandora playlist with others?
Yes, you certainly can. Pandora allows you to share your playlists with others, a feature that's quite popular among users. It's a great way to spread the love of music and help others discover new songs or artists. Whether you've curated a workout playlist, a relaxation mix, or a collection of your favorite pop hits, you can share it all.
How to share a Pandora playlist?
Sharing a playlist on Pandora is a straightforward process, and we're going to break it down for you step by step. 1. Open Pandora. Start by launching the Pandora app on your smartphone or opening the website on your desktop browser. 2. Navigate to My Collection. This is where all your playlists and stations are stored. 3. Select the playlist. Scroll through your playlists until you find the one you wish to share, then select it. 4. Click on the Share button. Once you're on the playlist page, look for the Share button. It's usually represented by an icon that looks like a box with an arrow coming out of it. 5. Choose a sharing method. Pandora will then give you several options to share your playlist, including via text, email, or social media. Choose the option that works best for you. 6. Send the playlist. Write a message if you wish, then hit Send. Your recipient will receive a link that they can click to access your playlist. Remember, the person you're sharing with will also need to have a Pandora account to access the playlist. And there you have it, an easy guide to sharing your Pandora playlists. So, don't keep those great tunes to yourself. Start sharing your music and enjoy the world of music together. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it brings a little more rhythm to your day. Until next time, keep the music playing.